Jesus, it scared the shit out of me, boy.
You're the one that asked me to come over.
Want to get washed up? Nice warm water.
Sure. What do you mean?
Nice warm water here. Want a shower?
No. Man, Paul, you're messing with the hose again?
Trying to dampen so there's no dust.
Doesn't help much, does it?
That's a lot.
He reminds me of a fighter putting out a fire. Does that. Man, those dump trucks must love you. He just ran over the freaking pylon. Do they not know how to drive? Or is it that hard to drive that they have to fuck up a pylon? It doesn't take two people to put on a chain, I don't think. Right now we need two people to put on this chain so we can get this pipe in the hole as fast as we can but we're not rushing. Now we're moving this big massive pipe and it's gonna look pretty awesome.
Right here!
Right now we're trying to move this without hitting anything or anyone. But right now this has gone into the trench. As it goes into the trench, slowly into the trench, we're gonna be putting a big massive pipe in the trench. Yeah, we're pretty excited. That went in smoother than the first two. That's going in pretty smooth. Let's hope he doesn't take it out 100 times like he did the first time. But right now we are putting it into the hole. I don't know if the chains are coming up quite yet or what's happening. I don't know if the chains are coming up quite yet. But right now as it stands, we are, like I say, taking off the chains off the pipe. I don't know what Jason's doing over there. But whatever he's doing it to help his team. To help the team on the construction side. Yeah. Moving some of our tools over. Right now, as it stands, we're just watching what's going on. So what are you doing?
What's that?
What are you doing this for?
I told you why.
Why?
For no reason. Put that on YouTube channel. For no reason, people. No reason. Just trying to clean.
It's very dusty down here. I'll show you. It's dusty as heck. It is dusty down here. I find it very dusty on the construction site today. Like I said, we're on a construction site. And it's going to be dusty because we're on a construction site. Some days more than others, especially because it's been so dry lately. The first time I ever seen a lady dump truck driver was on this job site right here. She is also an owner-operator because she owns her own dump truck and owns her own business.
Oh yeah.
But do these things melt?
You'd have to be really, really, really hot.
Like
if they melted, we wouldn't be outside if they melted. Yeah.
Wow. Here are a couple of the guys coming back from doing something down the street with one of those black gaskets. What did you guys do?
Put the gasket on.
The next pipe? After this one?
Yeah.
Right now we're filling up some dump trucks. Right now we got a lot of these dump trucks in the area. See you later, dump truck. So Steve's here today?
Alright?
Steve's here today?
Steve who?
Steve. What is he doing? What are you doing, Steve? Here goes the front end loader. Paul is over there soaking all the machines. He is trying to make it so everything isn't so hot. They got this trench pretty deep. Now we're starting up the jumping jacks. What the jumping jacks do is pack down the dirt so it's not very rough, so everything can go in the hole neatly. Makes it easier for when we have to pack down the road to lay more asphalt later on, as well as laying new sidewalks and new curves. We're also stopped on the one side using the jumping jacks. They know how to climb these hills in the manhole. They are very good at climbing the dirt hill. Very good.